Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful feature in TradingView, the Measure tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use it to analyze price differences and other key details in your charts, so you can make smarter, more confident trading decisions. If you've ever wanted to quickly measure price moves, see percentage changes, or get an at-a-glance snapshot of a swing or a range, stick with me because this tool will save you a ton of time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to locate the Measure tool itself. It's typically in the toolbar along the top or side of your TradingView window, and it looks a bit like a ruler or measuring tape icon. Just go ahead and click on that. This is your go-to for checking how much price has changed between any 2 points on your chart. For example, say you're curious about the exact move from the top of a candle's wick to the bottom. This is something traders often want to know to spot volatility, or maybe just to understand how big a recent spike actually was. Once you've selected the Measure tool, it's time to pick your starting point on the chart. Let's stick with our example. Maybe you want to measure from the top of a wick. Hover your cursor over the precise spot, whether it's a candle's high, a swing high, or even any point in between that grabs your interest. Give it a click. Don't worry too much about perfection here. TradingView will try its best to snap to your selection, but you can always adjust if you need to. Now, while holding down your mouse button, drag the tool to your ending point. In our case, we'll drag it all the way down to the bottom of the wick on the same candle, or wherever you want to finish measuring. You'll see a highlighted line appear between the 2 points as you drag, kind of like stretching a tape measure between them. Take your time here and feel free to zoom in if you need a closer look. Sometimes it takes a moment to get it just right, especially if you're measuring something small or zoomed out. As soon as you release your mouse button, TradingView instantly displays a compact info box right on your chart. This is one of my favorite features because you get a whole lot of detail at a glance. So what exactly can you see in this info box? There's more than just the price difference between your 2 points, though that's the headline. You'll also see the percentage change, which is incredibly handy for understanding the relative magnitude of a move. Think about it, a $1 move might be huge in one stock, but barely a blip in another. This helps you put the move in context. On top of that, TradingView shows you the number of bars spanned between your start and end points. This gives you a sense of how many candles, or time periods, the move covers. For example, measuring across 10 5-minute candles versus one daily candle tells a totally different story about momentum or trend. You'll also find the exact timestamps or dates for both your starting and ending points, which is great if you're documenting your analysis or sharing observations with friends or colleagues. If you're new to technical analysis, don't worry if any of these metrics sound unfamiliar. As you use them, they really start to make sense. Imagine using the Measure tool to compare moves before and after a big news event, or to check how long a trend lasted during a session. It's like having a mini calculator and chart historian built right in, and that's really all there is to it. Using the Measure tool in TradingView is simple, but having these insights at your fingertips can give your trading a real edge. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your favorite ways to use the Measure tool. And of course, subscribe for more TradingView tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.